Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today I am in Atlantic City on the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk at the Ocean Casino Resort. I'm here to check out Makai. This is my beautiful room here at the Ocean Resort. I think I'm on like the second highest floor there is here. And just a quick walk through the room, and then we're going to head downstairs. It's about 5 o'clock, which is just when their dinner starts here at Makai downstairs. Makai is a casual Polynesian-themed restaurant that opened up about a year ago here at the Ocean Resort. They serve breakfast and lunch every day from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., and they serve dinner Friday through Monday, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. At Makai, you'll find your favorite dishes with an island twist, including the Hula burger, pancakes with a tropical fruit compote, and huli chopped chicken salad, as well as traditional fare like steak and eggs, island fish and chips, Hawaiian meatballs, and more. Pan-Pacific favorites such as fish tacos, miso glazed grouper, pineapple upside down cake, and a warm chocolate lava cake, of course, will complete the menu. I love Polynesian food, and there's just something about the sweetness and the saltiness and sourness. It's just a combination of all these different flavors that come together and just really make me happy. Anyway, enough about talking about it. Let's head downstairs and check it out, shall we? That's Harpers on the right. They're supposed to have a fantastic brunch. I've never gone. I plan on doing it shortly though, so I'll bring that video to you guys once I do that. But it just hasn't fit into my schedule. But again, I plan on doing it very shortly. And before I go downstairs to Makai, I just can't pass up going outside to the park, one of my favorite areas here in Atlantic City. Kind of like a secret hideaway as far as I'm concerned, although more and more people are learning about it. We'll go outside, even though the weather's not fantastic, we'll go outside anyway and check it out before we head downstairs. You really can't hear what I'm saying here because it was a really windy day and the audio was horrible, so I was just talking about the huge plans that are coming up for the channel this fall, who my favorite subscriber is, who my least favorite subscriber is, and who won that $100,000 giveaway here on the New York channel. But again, you really can't hear any of it because of the wind and the audio's just horrible. You know, on the ocean escalators, you have to hold on really, really tight. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Miscellaneous Migs, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the MSG Sphere, which is being built right behind the Venetian. You guys need to check that video out. Lots going on over there at the MSG Sphere. Congratulations, Miscellaneous Migs. Oy vey, more escalators! As I said, Makai serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast and lunch served 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. And dinner is served Friday through Monday, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. The menu, again, very Polynesian inspired, but not crazy long. It's a very good short menu, which is what I like. Hey, if you're digging this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks a lot. So, what did Jeff from New York order? Well, I ordered my usual unsweetened iced tea. I ordered a Maui onion ring appetizer with smoked chili ranch dipping sauce. It's all about the dipping sauce, people. For my entree, I ordered the Hula burger, which is a double patty grilled pineapple. That grilled pineapple really sold me on this burger. Some teriyaki glazed bacon on a King's Hawaiian roll, and french fries. Because as everyone knows, nothing goes better with onion rings than french fries. So here we have the Maui onion rings, which are beer battered, much better than breaded. I don't like breaded onion rings. And they came with the side of smoked chili ranch dipping sauce, which I'm dying to try out. And the Maui onion rings came out with the Hula burger, which again is a double patty, grilled pineapple, teriyaki glazed bacon, all on a King's Hawaiian roll with french fries. Everything looks juicy and delicious. Mahalo. The onion rings are delicious. They're hot, they're crispy on the outside, they're tender on the inside. It's not one of those onion rings where you bite into it and the entire onion slides out from the batter. Nope, this just breaks apart in your mouth as you bite into it, and that dipping sauce was fantastic. By the way, when did all these restaurants start stacking their onion rings? It makes me feel like I'm eating so much more. Actually, I am eating a lot. It just kind of shows me how much I'm eating, and I don't like that. The burger is big, so of course I cut it in half, and what looks like a pickle is actually that grilled pineapple, which really makes this burger. It's a double patty. I could do without the double patty, but it came, so hey, I'll eat it. Now, I ordered the burger well done, and it was cooked perfectly as far as I'm concerned, but it was still juicy. It retained all of its juiciness. And between the flavor of the bacon and the pineapple, which by the way, I love a Hawaiian pie, which is bacon and pineapple. But I never put a pineapple on my burger, a grilled pineapple on a burger. Never thought of it before. Where has this been my entire life? I'm starting very late here with the grilled pineapple on a hamburger. but something I'm gonna do for the rest of my life, at least once in a while. As you can see, the fries are golden brown. They're crispy on the outside and like mashed potatoes on the inside, like butter, and they're perfectly seasoned. I'm enjoying everything about this meal. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that Thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. I really enjoyed my early dinner here at the Makai at Ocean Resort, and I'm definitely coming back to try out some other things on the somewhat limited but very good menu here. Let me know what you thought of Makai. Would you visit here and order some Polynesian inspired food? Leave a comment below and let us all know. My bill came out to about $36, which I consider reasonable considering how good the food was. I didn't eat everything. A lot of my food could have been shared with another person. So I consider it reasonably priced, very good food. I'm definitely coming back and trying some other items out here at the Makai. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.